Hello traders, welcome to another episode. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can connect your Exness account to MetaTrader app, to MetaTrader 5 account or MT5, right? So here, this is my Exness account. I've already opened, right? This is my Exness accounts already created. So here, you have to first create either a real account or a demo account that you want to connect to your MT5. So here, let's first see how we can create a demo account, right? So here you just come to new. Remember, you want to create a new account. So after tapping there, you will see that there are different options here that you can select. There's a standard account, there is a pro one, and there is a low spread and a zero spread account, right? So but here we want to go with a standard account, right? So the minimum deposit is $1 and the spread, you can send a commission. There is no commission on a standard account, right? So here you just continue from down here. Then after that here, you will see that they are telling you to open a new account. Remember, we're opening a demo account. That's why we selected there where there is demo account. And also here you can actually select your leverage you want to use from there. Even if you want to use like unlimited leverage, you can select it. Then here you can select your starting balance. You can select any amount in USD you wanna select. Also here you can select the currency or your local currency, or you can go with USD here, right? It is really easy. And also you can nickname your account, right? So you can just nickname, like you can just put any nickname you wanna use to your account, right? Yes, so let me just put here pro trader, right? So here, and also you must create your password for account. Remember, we're gonna log in to our MetaTrader 5. That means we need a password. Okay, so here let's just create an account password, right? Yes, so now after all that, just here, just come here down and create an account, right? So now the account has been created successfully, as you can see here, right? Remember, we named it Pro Trader, right? That means this is the account we wanna connect our MT5, right? So here now, what's next? We just copy our account information, right? You just come here to these three dots, then you come to your account information right here, right? So now, what do you need here? This is the account information that they have displayed to you. What do you need? Just need on a server in the MT5 login, right? So you just copy the MT5 login, then the server, it is Exness MT5 trial 9, right? So after that, you just head to your MT5, right? So after heading to your MT5 here, this is your MT5 account, right? So you just come to manage accounts, right? And you want to add a new account, right? So it means you just come here to plus, then here you search for your broker. Now for our case, it is Exness Technologies Limited, right? It is Exness Technologies Limited, right? Okay, so now you tap on it. Remember, our server was Exness MT5 trial 9, right? It was Exness MT5 trial 9. That's the server. Then the login, it's the one that we copied. So you just paste it there. And the password, remember, you created it the other time, right? So you just put it here, okay? So after all that, you just log in from here. And you can see that your account has been created. Remember, it was a pro trader. That was our nickname that we used to create this account.